Today, we'll be visiting with an employee at the City of Oceanside, specifically in the Public Works Department. Here, people in a variety of trades come together to help keep the city running, like this HVAC maintenance worker who works here in Oceanside City Hall.
I'm Sean Stone, maintenance specialist at the City of Oceanside, and we're down here in the chiller room. So I'm in a department called Building Maintenance. We take care of all the facilities throughout the City of Oceanside, from anything from drywall and painting all the way to plumbing as well as mechanical. After high school, I entered a trade school for air conditioning and went through a 4-year program. Then I got picked up by a mechanical company and had my eyes set on working for the city that I live in. In building maintenance, myself and my fellow employees, our responsibilities are vast throughout different departments, such as fire department, garage doors rolling up so they can get to a scene. The police department has a safe and secure building, and their gates are closing when they're supposed to be closed. So we have quite a bit different aspects of our job. The thing I like most about my job is going around to all our different properties, meeting all the different employees that work for the city, and all the great sights I get to see along the way. My average workday is I go based on priorities. If I have equipment down in high-risk areas, I need to get those equipments back up and running. I like to schedule my work throughout with different departments based on their needs. In our department, what we look for in a new employee would be somebody that is well-rounded within the facility trade, handy, able to think quick on their feet, and has a great attitude.